call page 6, case number 822-859-49OC. This is Robertson versus Gordon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Fikisha Miller, bar number 13539 for the Robertsons.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chris Phillips, 14600 on behalf of defendant Fraser Inouye, who is also present with me via Zoom.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gene Backus, appearing on behalf of ADG Baseball LLC, bar number 473.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Mahalik, 5721, on behalf of counter defendants.
Good morning. Anyone else?
Your Honor, I do see a marker for Wesley's iPhone. That might be Mr. Robertson.
Great, Mr. Robertson, if you're on, it looks like you might be on mute. Would you like to make an appearance?
And he might just be watching. Your Honor. We have several.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is the hearing on plaintiff's counsel's motion to withdraw as counsel. I did see a notice of appearance yesterday by Lisa Rasmussen on behalf of plaintiffs Brittany and Wesley Robertson. My inclination, subject to argument from anyone, is to grant the motion. However, I want to emphasize the July 18th deadline that I put into place for filing of motions stands. So at this point, given the appearance of several counsel, if you have any limited opposition or if you have any commentary on how I should handle the current counsel of records, the Hoff and Fowl firms withdrawal, this is your opportunity to speak.
Your Honor, Gene Backus, my only concern here is we're trying to finalize our settlement agreement. I've been working with Fikisha and Miller and trying to finalize it. I think we've got the final document done, but I just want to make sure that's done and new counsel doesn't change the criteria here.
Well, everyone told me you all had settlement the last time, so I assume criteria will not be changed.
Yes, Your Honor. I can make some representations about all of our status on with all the different counter complaints. So yes, we have been in communication with Ms. Rasmussen. She would be here this morning, but she had a previously scheduled federal hearing. So she did make her notice of appearance. We will get a copy of the file to her immediately, early part of next week. Then with regards to the releases, we had some last changes. They have been communicated. I have it in writing that the Robertsons are going to be willing to execute the releases with all the final drafting. So we should have those imminently as well. It is our position to resolve both of the two settled matters. That would be ADJ National and then Mr. Gordon and Local, which are the two that were resolved through the last mediation session. So we have releases that are supposed to be executed. We'll handle the settlement of those funds. So Mr. Backus and Mr. Hayes, who represents Local, they will be out. They will not have to deal with new counsel. New counsel will only go forward with remaining issues with Fraser Inouye. And then Ms. Rasmussen is also aware, we made her aware of the court's order about July 18th, and she's willing to comply with that. I also have an email confirming that in writing.
Okay, so Mr. Backus, what I'm hearing is that there won't be any more changes to the written document because plaintiffs are willing to sign the written document as last negotiated. That's my understanding as well, Your Honor. We've agreed to the additional term that they wanted here a few days ago, and we're all good to go. It just needs to be signed. Okay, so I'm gonna let everyone know if Ms. Rasmussen comes, because you're going to be out after today, yes, right? So if Ms. Rasmussen comes in on Monday and says, well, I'm new counsel and I think, you know, whatever terms 1, 5, and 6 are not good, and I want an opportunity to discuss them with my client, and Mr. Backus moves to enforce the agreement as it stands today, I'm going to probably grant that motion.
And Your Honor, just for the record, there is a message in the chat from Mr. Robertson saying, yes, we are executing. He's in the middle of
Okay.
national travel, so we were hoping to have them done and delivered and ready to exchange today. But for the record, there is a chat message that they are ready to execute as well.
Did you quote those chat messages? No, you're. Yeah, okay, well, now it's on the record.
Sure.
It's in chat. Okay, so very good. Any commentary? I think, Mr. Backus, that takes care of your concern. Any other concerns you'd like to raise, Mr. Backus?
No.
Any
Thank you.
concerns from any other council?
None from Mr. Inouye.
Okay. All right, hearing none and seeing seeing no opposition, seeing the notice of appearance of effectively substitute counsel, seeing no further comments from any other interested party to this action, the court grants the motion to withdraw as counsel and allows all counsel of record from the Hoff and Fowl firm to withdraw as counsel for plaintiffs, Brittany and Wesley Robertson, effective upon entry of the order. So Ms. Miller, will you please prepare an implementing order submitted to my inbox? You don't need to run this order by anyone. And then we'll do a July 12th status check for submission of the order, although I assume you will get the order to me before then,
Yes,
given
sir.
it's a withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
all right, very good. Thank you very much,
Bye.
everyone.